Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are doing a Princess Bubblegum inspired look. This is much more human rather than cartoon. I filmed this a really long time ago and I'm just getting around to posting it now, but I think it's a really good look, and so I really wanted to put it up on my channel for the Halloween season. But first, we are just whiting out the eyebrows. I didn't block them out because since this is more of like a human look rather than a cartoon look, I really wanted to just use my natural features. And so since I have very dark eyebrows, I just used a Wet n Wild multi-stick to white them out a bit. And then I created the base of her. Princess Bubblegum is made of bubblegum, and so she's pink. And so I think what I used was a Wet n Wild paint palette. I will link everything down in the description box below for you guys, but I mixed a pink, a bright pink, and a white with a light pink, and I created kind of like this creamy foundation which acts as our base, and I just swiped and sponged that all over my face, making sure that everything was covered. I don't remember if I do my ears or not. I have a long wig that I made that I'll put on at the end, so my ears are covered. If your ears are exposed, obviously be sure to paint your ears. And also, I don't have a Princess Bubblegum dress, so I am drawing one on and painting one on. However, I did end up finding one after filming this, long after filming this. I found a Princess Bubblegum dress on Amazon that I will also link below, so you can check that out if you're interested in actually having like a physical costume. Since I was filming this look just for the video, I was satisfied with just painting it on myself. So we just take that foundation right to the neck, and then we powder, heavily powder. The Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers cream paint palettes need to be set with powder, like need to be. So be generous, go in with a puff, and really just like douse your powder on your face to make sure it's set, and then take a brush and dust off all of the excess powder. Once you're done with dusting off the excess powder, I moved on to eyebrows, and like I said, I am just using my natural features, so I go in with a dark or a darker cream pink paint, and I just basically fill in my eyebrows like I would have any other day of the week. Probably more like 2016-esque though, probably more like thick and block. And I'm just doing my best to kind of like coat over my eyebrows, cover the white, and then really make sure that it's like in my actual eyebrow hairs. You'll see coming up in a little bit, I actually then go and cover them with glitter. Since the paint is tacky, I haven't set them, the paint is tacky, I just put the glitter right over top and really just get the glitter right into my eyebrows. I chose to use glitter in my eyebrows and on my lips because I wanted it to appear like a sugar coating almost, because again, with Princess Bubblegum, she's in the candy kingdom or whatever, and so I really wanted to make it seem like sugar coated and like give the look a little bit more texture instead of it being kind of like flat and one-dimensional. And so what I did was use a like dark pink glitter right over top of the cream paint that I used for my eyebrows, and I just plop that right on there. And then I use that same glitter later on, you'll see, for my lips to again create that kind of like sugar coating effect type of look. When I'm doing my eyes, I use the same palette for both my eyes and my contour. It's a Juvia's Place palette. I think it's like the Dose palette. I will link it down below. But it has this vibrant pink in it that was great for a contour as well as an eyeshadow. I did end up using like a bright white shimmer or like a pale pink shimmer on my eyes again to create like that sugary sweet look. And then I used some false lashes to top off the look. Again, doing kind of more of just like a human glam look, but just in like a different color. I really think that it all ended up looking really kind of like regal and true to character. she has 2 dots for eyes. You know, she is pretty flat in terms of the character animation, that is, not the actual character herself, but the animation is very like 2-dimensional. And so to kind of bring her to life via the human world, I really wanted to give her this kind of like sugary, sweet, dimensional look, which is basically just glam makeup, but make it pink. For the lips, I'm using the LA Girl neon lip liner. I will link it below, with a Wet n Wild multi-stick. Again, bright pink lips, sugar coated. I put that glitter. I used some NYX glitter glue to really make sure that it stuck, just to give it, again, some dimension, to make it look a little less flat, a little more sweet, if you will, a little bit more glam. Like I said before, I didn't have a Princess Bubblegum outfit, and so I just chose to paint one on myself. It came out okay. It's a little rough around the edges, but it got the job done in terms of creating the actual costume. Like I said, I found one on Amazon a lot later that I'll link below, that if you actually would like a physical costume, it's very true to the character. I don't know the quality, but I found it and it looks true to the character, so that's probably as good as we're gonna get for Halloween costumes these days. But I tried to make the illusion of like this Peter Pan collar and a puffy sleeve. I did my best, but you know, it is what it is when you're painting your clothes on you. I am not a body painter. I'm just a makeup artist who likes doing fun, crazy Halloween looks, so there we go. And finally is the wig, which I made, again, very rudimentary. I did my best. This was one of the first wigs I did make. It came from a kit from the beauty supply store. Learned a lot while making it, so that's good, but I thought it fit this perfectly. I did make a little paper crown for the Princess Bubblegum look, and so after I get my wig all situated, I put my little crown on, and then, yeah, that's pretty much what the look looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to do some fun Halloween looks. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big old thumbs up. Be sure to comment below what you thought was the best part, and also be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.